Hello everyone. I hope you all understood about brain and spinal cord. Now let us go into the third topic, nerves. Nerves are long thread-like structures that carry messages between the brain and the other parts of the body. So what do you mean by nerve? Nerves are long thread-like structures which carry message from the brain to all the other body parts and from the all other body parts to the brain. Now let us see how does it happen. Now, this is the brain. Okay, assume this is the structure of a human brain. Now, these are the thread-like structures. See, you can see lot of thread-like structures. These are all called as nerves. Yes. Now, so I have made a partition here. I have drawn a line over here. So, to make some difference. Now, let us understand what is that. See, these are the nerves. Okay, these are the nerves which are from here, like from hands and from the neck. The nerves from the hands and all the top part of your body, like from here. Okay, so these nerves, they directly get connected to the brain. The nerves of your hands, the nerves of your neck, the nerves of your all eyes, nose, ear, everything is directly connected to brain. Now, what happens to the rest remaining body? Where all these nerves get connected? So we have to know there must be a connection, right? So all the remaining nerves, they all get connected to this spinal cord. This is spinal cord. Okay, this is brain. These all are nerves, and this one, the middle part, is called as spinal cord. Already we have understood spinal cord also carries the messages to brain, right? So all the nerves, the rest of the body from here, okay, below our neck, from below our neck to the tip of our toe, all these nerves are connected to spinal cord. From spinal cord, they send the messages and they send it to brain. From brain, they receive the messages through spinal cord. Understood? Yes. Now, let us go. Now, let us understand what the types of nerves which are present in our body. We have three kinds of nerves. First one is sensory nerve. Okay, sensory nerve. Nerves which carry messages from sense organs to brain or spinal cord. So, what are our sense organs? We have basically 5 sense organs, right? So, from these sense organs, these sensory nerves carry message to the brain. Means they carry message from your eye to your brain. From both of your eyes to your brain. From nose to your brain. From taste, we get taste through our tongue, right? From tongue, they carry towards the brain. From skin, whichever part of the body you see, I have skin. Okay, they carry those messages to brain. The nerves which carry messages to brain are called as sensory nerves. From where do they carry? They carry from our sense organs. Okay. Now, next is motor nerves. Nerves which carry orders from the brain or spinal cord. Now, once the message is sent to the brain, what does the brain do? It again sends the orders. Okay, it also sends the order again. Now, for example, now we are studying. Like now I am explaining, you are listening. Now, the textbook or the video classes which you are listening is seen through your eyes and heard through your ears. Now, your nerves present in your eyes and ears, they see and listen and they carry this message to the brain. Okay? Now, whatever lesson is being told, these messages are heard and seen with the help of your ears and eyes and they are carried to your brain. So, they are called as sensory nerves because they are carrying from the sense organs. Now it is reached to your brain. Now what does your brain do? It will ask you to listen continuously with your concentration so that it can store in the memory. What is the order now? What is the order of the brain? It is asking you to listen and see very concentratedly. Understood? Now, the orders sent by the brain is carried to the eyes and ears. If the brain asks you to listen, then only you will listen, right? If you are interested only, then you will listen. How you get interest? When your brain tells the message, okay, you listen the class. Then you will get interest. Now, that listen to the class message is carried from brain to your ear with the help of motor nerves. See, these are motor nerves. What are motor nerves? Nerves which carry orders from brain or spinal cord. Okay, now if you want to run, so from where do you get the orders? Now the brain sends to spinal cord because our legs nerves are connected to spinal cord. Now once these nerves are connected over here, now the spinal cord sends the messages, okay, now you run. Then only your leg starts running. Okay? So these are sensory nerves and motor nerves. Sensory nerves carry message from sense organs to the brain. Motor nerves are the nerves which carry the order from the brain or through spinal cord. Okay? Next, the third type is mixed nerves. Nerves which carry messages to the brain and brings orders from the brain. See, now there are some nerves which carry both. They carry the message and they get the orders. Those are called as mixed nerves. So we have three nerves: sensory nerve, motor nerve, mixed nerve. Sensory nerve carry messages to the brain. Motor nerve brings orders from the brain. Mixed nerves, they carry messages and they bring orders from the brain. Okay? I hope you all understood this. Right? Now, okay, I'll ask you a question. So, for example, you have lighted a candle. You are having a candle. So, you have just lightened up the candle. So, you are so eager, interested in touching it. So, you don't know what happens if you touch. Okay, for example, just imagine you don't know if you catch a handle, your hand gets burned. So, when you just go try to touch it, what happens? Due to that heat, unknowingly we take back our hand. Right? Yes? Now, if suppose we are climbing down the steps, unfortunately, if we are about to fall down, immediately we catch something. Right? In order to protect ourselves from falling down, not resist from falling down, we catch a side railing. Am I right? These are called as reflex actions. Okay? Those are called as reflex actions. So, what are reflex actions? Reflex actions are done immediately without any prior orders. So, immediately our body responds to it. Without unknowingly only we react. Those are called as reflex actions. I hope you all understood. Thank you.